Hello student, myself Dr. Narendra Singh, Associate Professor in Physics, Department of Basic Sciences, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Today we will discuss the optical fibers, fiber optics, and what are the parts of your optical fibers. Now the first one is the content of these lectures are the fiber optics. What is this fiber optics? Advantages of optical fibers. ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स की क्या एडवांटेजेस होती हैं इन स्पाइट ऑफ योर दिस वन योर कॉपर वायर्स, देन द ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स एंड द लास्ट वन इज योर द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स एंड देयर रूल्स. Now the first one is your what is this one your fiber optics. So fiber optics is nothing but it is a technology that deals with the transmissions of the light through the fibers of glasses, plastics or the other transparent materials and based on the principle of your total internal reflections. From this diagram we can see that when the ray enter from rare medium to denser medium, it will collide with the side walls of your this cladding, then internally it will reflect again and again, follow the zigzag way and move in the other end of this optical fiber. So the next one is your that is the advantages of this optical fibers. Why we will just use this optical fiber? However, earlier we are just using this copper wires. So how these optical fibers are used for your this electronic communications, and why we will use the optical fibers. So basically there are some of the advantages of these optical fibers. What are those? The first one is the optical fibers are your light weight. जो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स होते हैं उनका वेट लाइट होता है. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर मेड ऑफ योर ग्लास और द प्लास्टिक. So glass or plastics are much lighter as compared to your metal. The second advantage is your this optical fibers are that these optical fibers are small in shapes. The shape of these optical fibers are very small. The third one is your since the optical fiber shapes having very much small, so they can accommodate your small space. Then we have the another advantages of these optical fibers. Through optical fibers we can transmit thousands of signals simultaneously. However, in case of your copper wires we cannot transmit more than one signals at a glance. Then these optical fibers are much cheaper as compared to your copper wire, because these optical fibers are made of your glass or the plastic, and glass or plastics are much cheaper as compared to your metals. Then what is your optical fiber? So the optical fibers are nothing but these are the glass or the plastic pipes, thin as here, that guide the light signals through them and bus on the principle of your total internal reflection. We can see from here. Here we have the light ray which enters from rare medium to the denser medium, and it will collide with the side walls of this particular fiber, that is your cladding, and it will totally internally reflected, follow the zigzag way, and until it will just propagate to the other end of your optical fiber. Next, these optical fibers are nothing. They are not the simple fibers of glass or the plastic, but they have the some specific three reasons. What are those reasons? These reasons are your core, cladding, sheet or strength. We can see in the figure the central reason is your core. Then we have the just outer region of that your core, that is your cladding, and the outermost region is known as your strength, or we can call it as your sheet. So there are three fibers, there are three parts of your optical fibers. What are those? These are the core, cladding and sheet. So here we will discuss the function of your, or the significance of each part of your optical fibers, and And the first one is your core. The central region of this optical fiber is known as your core. All the optical signals are travel through this core. The refractive index of your core is greater than that of cladding. Why? Because to capture the signals inside the core as well as you to follow the principle of your total internal refractions, it must be the refractive index of core is greater than the refractive index of your cladding. Then the diameter of core is lies between 0 micrometer to 50 micrometer. Then we have the cladding. That is your middle region of your optical fiber is known as your cladding. Basically, the role of this cladding, it will capture the signal inside the core. That is your first function of this your core. The second function of this core is because this core lies just outer of this this cladding lies just outer of this core, so it will provide the strength to the core. And the last one is your the diameter of the core is lies between 50 micrometer to the 125 micrometer. And the last one is your sheet or the strength. So that is the outer region of your optical fibers. Because sheet is just outer of your core as well as your cladding, so it will provide the strength both core as well as your cladding. Other one is your this sheet is your protective region. It is your protective region. It protects the core as well as your the cladding from your atmospheric effects such as your corrosion, aberration, and other chemical effects. The diameter of this core is lies between 125 micrometer to 150 micrometer. Thank you.